The driver's door on my Kia Sportage started making this squeaking noise when I opened the door. There is an easy fix for this. In this video, I will show you how to silence that squeak using white lithium grease spray. White lithium grease is known for its long-lasting lubricating properties and rust protection. It's ideal for reducing friction and preventing wear on moving metal parts, making it perfect for car door hinges. Avoid using WD-40 or similar sprays on your door hinges. While WD-40 is great for loosening stuck parts, it's a water-displacing spray rather than long-lasting lubricant. Using it here might quiet the squeaks temporarily, but it evaporates quickly and doesn't provide the lasting lubrication that white lithium grease offers. For best results, stick with white lithium grease for these type of parts. First, locate the hinges and the moving parts of the door mechanism, like this door check. These are the key spots that often cause squeaks. Open the door wide open to fully expose the hinges. Shake the can well and then spray it on the door hinges. Make sure to get it into any crevices where metal rubs against the metal. Also, spray some grease on the door check. The mechanism for the door check is inside the door. Spray a small amount of grease into this hole to ensure smooth movement of the door check. Now open and close the door several times to work the grease into the hinge. This ensures that the lubricant spreads evenly and reaches all friction points. As you can see, this squeaking noise is gone. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any excess grease to keep the area tidy and prevent dirt from sticking. After finishing one door, repeat these steps on all the other doors. By greasing the hinges and door checks on each door, you will ensure that every entry point in your vehicle opens and closes quietly and smoothly. This will help extend the life of all hinges and door checks. After you are done with the doors, it's a good idea to lubricate the hinges on the liftgate as well. Open the liftgate and you will see two hinges on the top. Shake the can and spray some grease on both the hinges. Open and close the liftgate a couple of times to let the grease spread evenly. You should also lubricate the hinges on the hood of the vehicle as well. Lift up the hood and spray some grease on both the hinges. Finally, we will finish up with the hood latch mechanism, which secures the hood when closed. Spray a bit of white lithium grease on the moving parts of the latch, especially around the latch hook and release lever. After applying, close and open the hood a few times to ensure everything is well lubricated. And that's all. All the doors, liftgate and the hood should now open smoothly and quietly. This simple maintenance step can prevent further wear on the hinges and keep your vehicle in top condition. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.